If you're a guy like me and you're always on the outlook for the absolute most comfortable boxer briefs you can find, then you're going to want to keep watching, because I found some that are not only super comfy, but also super affordable. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about these guys. These are the GAGLI cotton model boxer briefs. They are super comfy. They're made of that cotton model material, which is really so soft against the skin, extremely breathable, really a lot of cool features. I'm going to go over all of them. Let's start with one of the most unique features, and that's what I would call the crotch area of these, and the underside here and between your thighs. This has made of a different kind of sort of like a mesh. So it's a mesh material that's extremely breathable. So it's great because it keeps you from getting too hot or too sweaty. It just allows you to breathe, allows air to flow through. Really cool design on that. And then the whole boxer brief is made of that cotton, that nice cotton model material. 44.5% cotton, 44.5% model, and 11% spandex. So what does that mean to you? It means that it's really soft to the skin. I mean, super soft. Also, because it's got the spandex material, very stretchy, so it can stretch and fit. These come in both 3-inch and 5-inch lengths, so you can get the length that you want. I prefer more the trunk style, the shorter 3-inch style. And what I love about these is they're great. They don't ride up the legs, stay where they're supposed to stay. They don't bunch up during the day, which is great. And then you have this really nice wide waistband, and I love the logo on there because it's not in your face logo. It's a subtle logo, same color as the band, doesn't stand out, but nice wide band that is really stretchy, holds these in place, holds them up. They don't slide down or anything throughout the day either. The stitching on this is great, really nice high quality stitching throughout. You've got a nice kind of pocket here in the front to hold all the goods in place, but be comfortable. Some underwear will have kind of a pouch, but the seams on the pouch are kind of too much, and they kind of rub you the wrong way. These don't do that. It's nice and roomy and extremely comfortable. Doesn't feel odd or weird. It just nice, great design on that. Really super comfy material. And again, very affordable in comparison to a lot of the boxer briefs that are out there. I mean, these are like high quality premium boxer briefs in my opinion, but at an extremely affordable price. Really awesome product by GAGLI. If you, again, are like me, you're looking for excellent, super comfortable all day long boxer briefs, then these are definitely ones to consider by GAGLI. I absolutely love them. Between the cotton model material, which just keeps it nice and comfy, that mesh lining down at the bottom that allows air to flow through and allows you to have airflow and stay cool and comfortable, and then the spandex material that makes them stretchy, and then that nice wide waistband that keeps them in place. Really excellent pair of boxer briefs by GAGLI, available in any size and multiple colors. Whatever you're looking for, I guarantee you can find them. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. Check down there in the description, because I might have a coupon code that you can use to get a really good deal on these boxer briefs. So check that out. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Stay tuned for future product reviews, and that's going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.